Warmup is the world's best-selling electric underfloor heating brand, manufacturing high-quality products for whole house heating. This is a simple guide to installing Warmup's underfloor heating foil system. This video does not replace the installation manual, so before starting, make sure you have read the manual in your Warmup pack. In your Warmup pack you will find the foil heater, aluminium tape and an installation manual. Before beginning your installation, make sure you have a Warmup thermostat with floor sensor, a digital multimeter, a permanent marker, measuring tape, tape to secure to floor, a pair of scissors for cutting the foil matting. Also, make sure you prepare the subfloor to British standard guidelines. Further help with floor preparation is available in the installation manual. To start, make sure the floor surface is smooth, dry and free from dust, debris and grease. Warmup foil heating mats must not be laid under permanent or static fixtures like electrical appliances, cabinets, tubs and toilets. Using a marker or pencil, identify the floor areas where units and fixtures will be fitted. Take a moment to double check that your plan has the correct room dimensions. At this stage, you should test the foil heating system with a digital multimeter. It is important to test the system before, during and after installation. Record your readings in the Warmup installation manual. Check the installation manual for more details. Start by laying the power cable in the location closest to the thermostat. Do not fix or cut the mat yet. If you are installing 2 or more heaters, make sure that the power leads all reach the thermostat before you roll out the mat. Remember, however many heaters you are installing, the wires should be laid at least 50 mm from one another and should never cross. The foil heating system can be cut and turned and modified to fit a specific area. Never cut the heating wire and be careful not to damage the heating cable. Just remember, don't lay the foil heater under bathroom furniture. Any exposed wire must be covered with aluminium tape and attached to the main foil mat. Never cut the wire. Be sure to leave an expansion gap around the perimeter for wood or laminate flooring installations. When installing under carpet, always leave a 30 cm gap between the heater and the wall to allow for use of a carpet stretcher and gripper rod installation. Perform another multimeter test to check that the heater has not been damaged, and make a note of your reading in the Warmup installation manual. If your reading has changed, call Warmup immediately. Do not continue working. The floor probe measures the actual temperature of the floor, allowing complete, accurate control of the system. Position the floor probe evenly between 2 of the heating elements, making sure not to cross the heating wire. Tape down the floor sensor at least 300 mm into the heated area. If the probe or the power cables sit proud, you may wish to recess them into channels cut into the thermal underlay. At this stage, you should perform another multimeter test on the heater and make a note of the reading in the Warmup installation manual. Finally, you can install the flooring following the manufacturer's instructions. Once connected to the thermostat, you can start enjoying your warm floors straight away. Don't forget to fill out your warranty online at www.warmup.co.uk. For more information, visit the Warmup website, email us, or call the 24-hour technical helpline on 0845 345 2288.